Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. My returnees, thank you and God bless you. In today's video, we are going to be making chicken stew. As you can see, all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this delicious chicken stew. Let me introduce you one by one. Here I have onions. I have 3 onions there. I have 1 tomatoes bottle. I have cow skin. I have rosemary. I have black pepper, thyme, 2 Maggi cube, which is here. I have 1 crayfish chicken together. So I have my garlic powder, my chicken, and my curry powder. As well, I have also my salt and oil. So I will be showing you that later. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, the first thing we are going to be add into the pot now. First thing is chicken. I'm going to be putting chicken here. This chicken is very strong. It's our chicken, so I'll boil it for at least for 50 minutes. The second thing is salt. And I will be adding all the seasoning, black pepper, rosemary, curry powder, and my curry powder. I'm going to be putting the blended onions because I don't want to slice, so I slice it half. This is my blended onions. Now I will be adding my crayfish Maggi, which is this. So I'm going to be putting the chicken one when I'm frying. So keep watching, guys. My powder, that is garlic powder. I'm going to be adding a little bit of it here. Okay, I've had all the ingredients, so now I will turn it and let everything mix together. So I will be leaving it at least for 15 minutes, almost 1 hour, almost, because the chicken is very strong. So I will be adding my cow skin later. Keep washing. Now I have to close the pot. Keep washing. I already had my cow skin, so very soon it will be ready to be out of the fire before we start frying the stew. I'm not going to boil the stew. I'm just going to stew it that way because this tomatoes is nice, so we are not going to be boiling the stew, so it will be a quick one. Continue washing. Okay guys, now I will start frying my chicken, and here is my cow skin. I will show you later. Now I'm going to fry it a little bit. Okay, I've already fried the meat. Now I will be frying the fish. I'm sorry guys, I did not show you the fish before because I was not thinking to put it. I changed my mind. Now I'm going to be frying the fish. Okay guys, now I will be adding my onions. I had that fish to give me the flavor I want. So now I will leave this for a little bit. I will allow the onions to be still before I will add my tomatoes. I'm not going to be adding salt yet because I have my water of the chicken that I'm going to add. So I will wait. Later, if it is not okay, I can add a little bit salt. So keep watching. Now I will be adding the tomatoes because first I had the blended pepper and the onions. Now I will be adding my tomatoes. Followed by Maggi. I'm going to be adding one Maggi, the chicken Maggi that I bring to Maggi. So I will be adding that one now. And I'm adding a little bit of curry powder. And we cover the stew, but now I'm going to be adding my cow skin because it's not the one. It did not done the way I want it, so I just leave it like this so that together with the stew then we'll both one. Okay, so now I'm having the cow skin inside right away. But I'm going to be leaving the stew for at least 15 to 20 minutes because the cow skin was boiled just like 10 to 15 minutes. So that is why I'm adding it now. It's very strong. So keep washing, guys. And I will add my fish because that is why I changed my mind so that we can give it the taste I really want. So because I was not thinking to add fish before, but later I think of it. So to give me the taste, that flavor I want. Keep washing, guys. Later I will be adding my chicken, not yet. Keep washing. Cover it and I will open it in the next 5 minutes to turn. How do you see my chicken stew, guys? In the next 2 minutes, my chicken stew will be ready. Okay, my stew is ready. How did you see this chicken stew? Very, very delicious, guys. Thank you for joining me for today's video and see you for my next video. Bye bye.